Alright, this is Last Weekend ATX, and this is what's happening. We got the beatbox. Tequila. Vodka. Kelly Sober is in the house. Let's go take a look upstairs. And we got Gooby, he's on the throne.
Yeah.
The place for you to swim. Let's go take a look upstairs as Ivana performs.
What? We need gas right now, so we're waiting for them to put gas.
Yeah.
And then after the gas is inside of the boat, because apparently they forgot to put some at the beginning. Maybe they didn't forget, maybe it ran out of gas.
This isn't awful.
Hey guys, I'm Ivana. I'm 25 years old. We're about to throw down right now at Vida Es Bella. It's my second event with Alyssa, but it's our 7th. And it's my turn to play, so gotta go. No secret? We have no idea what the first song's gonna be, so it should be good.
The vibes are fantastic.
I had a really good time. Guys, I'm like shaking. I just played one of my songs. It was like the second to last song. Did you like it?
Like it.
Did you hear it? Did you know it?
I don't know if I know it, but I think it was good.
But it was like a cumbia like classic that everyone, like if you're Mexican or Latino, like you should know it. But I was a little scared to play it, and I played it, and everyone was dancing, so I'm like, but everything is amazing. Like everyone was dancing and having a great time, and I'm just really like, my heart's so full right now, like I literally can't fucking breathe. But we're still breathing, so that means we're alive. And I'm really excited to just keep sharing some of the stuff I've been working on for a while. I've been hiding from the public, but for good reason, because divine timing. I believe in this, and you'll be hearing some stuff soon, okay? So, thank you guys.
I'm at number 7. I've been building this for a year now for a friend of mine who passed away. That's why it's named La Vida Es Bella, because life is beautiful. Basically started this on a whim a year ago, and we're here at number 7. First for everything, I'm escorting you guys on this taxi cab.
Thank you very much.
So let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
I think my favorite part is dancing to good music with my friends.
Yeah?
That too.
Favorite DJ so far?
Favorite DJ?
Mocam.
Nice.
Locam, if you're hearing us, you better fucking know.
I think he's playing right now. He's ripping it.
That's our best friend.
Hate it. We're gonna leave this party and off to the next one. Last Weekend ATX.
Last weekend, baby.
Alright, that is the Texas party barge. Come and shake it. Okay. Got a slide at the back. Sun setting. Yes. This is what a lake party looks like in Austin, Texas, or Lake Travis.
was gas. Total fucking gas.
Nice.
Y'all missed out.
What about you?
Yeah, I enjoy the party. Ivana, you are the shit, girl. Thank you so much for this experience for us and inviting us. And we're here to support you, Mama. And I love you. Very nice to meet you. And I hope to see you again soon.
Gooby?
It was badass. Lots of pretty women, lots of pretty guys. We had an amazing time. Cool.
Ivana, well done for putting this on. The party's still going. And yeah, can't wait for the next one. And tell all my friends about it. See you at the next one.